Hey Tony, hi, I hope everything is good. And I just want to show you how to get a code for the Calendly as well. So basically go to your homepage on Calendly. And now when you create all these sections or categories for the Calendly, so you were mentioning you will have four. I can see three on your current Calendly. So you can add one more. And then when you finish that, when you create everything, go to this settings button on top and click where it says add to website. Then you will be here where you can select which design you would like to have on the website. And then you can easily go with one of these designs, whatever you want. Let's say I will go with inline embed. Continue. Then you will receive the code. Please copy the code and send it to me. You can also customize everything here if you would like to have something with your branding or anything, and just copy me that code and send it to me and we will add it. I hope this helps.